So let's take a look at how to use for loop with Vue.Js. Okay, so basically the for loop that we are going to use within Vue is for repeating certain items or certain data within component or within particular parts where we want Vue to repeat the data or display data sequentially. Okay, so first thing, go to Vue.js and get the CDN address. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and open text editor where I have this boilerplate HTML text, and I'm going to paste it here. Next thing, I'm going to create a div with ID app. Okay, and after that, within script, I'm going to create a new view. Okay, so var app new view. Okay, here I just want to add this element, and here within that data I'm going to add a few tasks. Okay, so tasks, and within square brackets I'm going to add few items. So item first will be item 1. Okay, then I just want to repeat this, so I'm copying and pasting this and just change this to 2 3. Okay, now add one more just for the sake of posterity. And after you do all of this, simply come to your view with ID app, and here let's create ordered list, and inside that let's add list item, but here we have to specify v4. Okay, that points to your tasks, so here you have to say task for tasks. Okay, so once you do that, you can then simply append your mustache like curly brackets and use task dot item. Okay, so this task points to one of the item, and as for loop goes, one item at a time will be shown on screen thanks to this v-o. Okay, this for loop will be used on this particular element. Okay, so the list will print item one after another. Okay, now let's open our page and refresh it. And here I made one mistake, which is I have to use in keyword and not for. So task in task, and now we will check how to display our. Okay, now refresh the page, and you see your item 1 2 3 4 are displayed by Vue. So you get the idea how to use for loop within your one of the Vue.js components and display the list that you made.